Hello everyone. So we are going to discuss a chart HAL. Now Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. The stock has been on a crazy rally since a good time, almost since the May of 2020. The stock has been in a very strong uptrend, and this is the first time we are getting some what do you call signs of exhaustion. So let's see what signs are we getting. How can we trade this, because we are against the trend, so it will be challenging. It can hit stop losses, so we need to be careful on not making bigger losses. So now first let's start with the monthly chart of HAL. We can clearly see on monthly chart we are seeing some two dojis over here, and after that we haven't closed above it yet, but yeah, we have still traded above it. And there was a bearish pattern on candlestick as well over here. Not very clear, but there is a dark cloud cover kind of a pattern over here, and there are very high volumes on this last green bar after a big rally. Very high volumes on green bar is something that I would worry for now. And we can see RSI divergence also. Like this green, the close was 2734, and this green, the close is around 2767. Though April we have still not closed, so we can still go higher, but right now at current stage we can see a divergence, so we need to be a little careful. And yeah, it can still rally higher. As we said, we're trying to catch the top, and we may go wrong over here, but we need to be cautious while trading and see that we don't make much losses even if we go wrong. Now that was the monthly chart. Now once we go to the weekly chart, okay, now in weekly chart we can see clear divergences. Now the closes are high again, a bearish candle pattern over here, and there is some Bollinger Band resistance it's not ready to open right now, and RSI is also at a good resist. So this line over here has acted as a support for so long. Now we went below it, again went below it, now we are again bouncing from there, and we are at the line, so this could act as a resistance. So there are good chances that we could be near the top, because even RSI is at resistance. The ADX on weekly charts has lost momentum, so bullish, like the bulls are right now not in control, nor are bears, but bulls are surely not in control right now. So divergence, RSI, ADX losing momentum, so there are few signs, and plus the Bollinger Band resistance, so there are few signs on weekly charts as well. Now let's go to the daily chart. Now on daily chart we can see bearish patterns also. We can see a shooting star here, then we can see a downtrend over here, and then a bounce back. We stopped at the support on RSI, and now we are at the resistance of the RSI on the daily chart also. So daily chart is also tricky right now. So as long as and there is a little lower top lower bottom also, not very clear, but on a smaller time frame, yes, we can see a lower top lower bottom also. So if you see, this was a higher top higher bottom, higher top higher bottom, then a top, and then a lower bottom. Now if we don't close above this is 2785 on daily chart, we still have a chance of though it is not very clear, we can take this also as a higher top lower bottom as well, and this could be the lower bottom over here. So this is a better way to look at it, but still we do have a little trend over here, and which can fail. But this over here was the first lower bottom, and this could be a lower top, so that is also something that we can look at. So for currently the shooting star high, if we go to the candlestick again, that is a very important level for me. So that is around 2850, so that is somewhere closer to that is around about 2800 is somewhere we would be looking to sell HAL, and the stop losses goes right above the top, that is 2900 levels. Okay, so we have some resistance here as well, and over here also on the ADX, it's the bulls are not in control, nor are bears, but bulls are surely right now not in control. So as long as it is below 2900, we have chances. Okay, and so that's one more sign over here. Now on the volume profile, okay, on the volume profile, the point of control currently is 2500, and for the full rally, like the bigger rally, the volume profile, the point of control goes to as low as 1300 1400. Now this zone over here, once we are below 2500, and below, then finally below this level, that is 2300, we have more chances of this to go further down, and then the targets get really big. So right now we are trying to catch the top, but this is where the real fun will start if it starts falling further. So currently, what could be the strategy? The best strategy would be to sell the calls on rise. If HAL comes up, we can sell calls about around 2900 calls. Okay, once HAL breaks this low, this swing low over here, okay, by the end of this week, or in middle of the week, we can wait and see. If in the middle of the week, if we break this low, we can still sell calls which are like around 2700. But at the end of the week, on Friday, if we close below this, then we can take future shorts as well. Okay, so then we will have at least this much as a target, but that is at the end of the week. But till then, if we fall and break this low during the week, then we can sell 2900. Of course, we are selling right now. We can probably then start selling 2700 also and see what is happening by the end of the week. So that could be one strategy, and then we'll have a head and shoulder also, which may happen. And we can see the candle counts also. So this rally over here took around, say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bars. This fall has taken around 11 bars. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, yeah, 11 bars. And then again this rise has taken 6 bars. So basically, if we don't remove this high this week, okay, then in 11 bars we haven't removed the high, so which is again a good sign that the bears are in control. So in this week we have much more clarity about bears have being in control, but it's important to get in the trade as early as possible. So we would like to see a little bounce to get into the trade. That will be perfect to sell 29 calls, and then if we get more chance, we will sell further also. And if everything works out well, then at least 2300 is what we are looking at, and if that also breaks, then we have much lower targets of 1900. So if we look at that targets, then we are kind of catching this at the top. Also on the charts, if we see, sorry, wait, okay, over here we can check this. So now there are chances of this pattern which may turn out, for the target of this pattern also will be 1947. So if things work out well, we are going lower to 1900 levels. So we are trying to catch the top. It can fail, but that is what the trade setup looks like right now. Thank you.